Good morning, Payne Tech. Today is Friday, October 10th, and welcome to this episode of Payne Tech News. I'm your host, Alayia Cole.
And I'm your co-host, Jaylin Valentine, but I'm sure you knew that already. September 15th marks the start of Hispanic and Latino Heritage Month, a time to celebrate the rich cultures, traditions, and contribution of Hispanic and Latino Americans. This month highlights the histories, achievements, and influences of communities across Latin America, Central America, South America, as well as Caribbean. From music and art to food, literature, and social movements, Hispanic and Latino Americans have shaped our nation in countless ways. It's time to reflect, learn, and honor the leaders, innovators, and everyday heroes whose stories continue to inspire and bring people together. I'm really looking forward to Bad Bunny's Super Bowl halftime show early next year.
While we take this time in September and October to honor and celebrate Hispanic and Latino heritage, it's also important to shift our focus towards self-care and reflection. As the month moves forward, let's talk about ways to recharge and recover, making sure we maintain balance, well-being, and a good mindset to our busy schedules.
The Week of Respect, observed from October 7th to October 11th, is a time to focus on kindness, empathy, and treating others with dignity. It encourages everyone to stand against bullying and promote positive relationships by showing respect. We create a safer and happier community for everybody.
And speaking of positivity around campus, introducing On the Spot, Payne Tech's brand new series that puts students and staff to the test. We're hitting the halls and catching people off guard with quick questions about school facts, fun trivia, and random knowledge. Think you know Payne Tech? Prove it. Stay tuned for laughs, surprises, and some hilarious wrong answers as we bring you On the Spot.
Welcome to On the Spot with your junior reporters, Addo and Kevin Williams.
I'll put you on the spot.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow, what's your name and grade?
Farida Sally.
Jaylin Valentine.
Miss Dean, and I am in grade 12
You on your tippy toes.
because I'm short.
So first, I'm gonna ask you, what's the name of our school mascot? I'm gonna show you some pictures right now. So first, we got my boy Leo.
Okay, cute,
We got
cute.
Leo. He got swag.
I like that.
And then we have Lenny, the alpha male.
Right, okay.
We got my son Willie. And then we have my boy Louie. You need to see him again?
Nope, I think I'm good.
Who do you feel like is
I'm gonna go with Willie. I believe that is the correct answer.
Who do you think is the mascot?
Low key, I think it's like Lenny.
Let me see, flip it around. This is like a YN. So I'm guessing this one, Louis.
What's the first one?
Willie.
Is it Willie?
Leo.
Leo.
Which one do you think is the school mascot?
I'll say Willie.
Come on, bro. One for one so far. You got it. What is the diner capital of the world? I'll give you a hint. It's a state.
The what?
Diner capital of the world.
I don't know. Help me out. Give me a hint.
Can I get a hint?
No.
Of the whole time?
How about you answer that question?
I'm asking y'all for a reason.
No.
You don't even know.
What is the diner capital of the world? How we jump from those two topics?
It's on the spot.
I don't know.
The diner capital?
You gotta think real hard about this one.
New Jersey.
Correct. You know what diner it is?
Top's Diner.
Okay. All right, next question. Where was the first film and TV studio production held? I'm gonna give you a hint. It's a state.
Oh. New York.
Hollywood.
New Jersey. Delaware.
Brooklyn.
New Jersey, because I remember from history class, we'll talk about it.
How you get that right? All right, next question,
I
man.
really don't know that one.
Can you give me your best impression of a lion's roar?
Roar.
Miss, more energy, Miss Hunter.
Okay. Roar.
That's good. That's the best one we had so far.
Roar.
Awkward. All right. Last thing I gotta tell you, all the answers were New Jersey, and the diner capital of the world was Top's Diner. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
You put me on
Th-
the spot.
This is On the Spot, and I'm here with
Miss Peralta.
All right, see you next week.
I appreciate y'all for that fun segment of On the Spot. Now let's shift gears from quizzes and laughs to something just as important, our futures. Just Payne Tech College Fair will be held on October 23rd, 2025 from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. This is your chance to meet representatives, ask questions, and start planning your next big step after high school. You better not miss out on it.
Attention seniors, the Yearbook Club has created a Beacons page with all the important links you'll need for submissions, updates, and more. Use the QR code on the screen to open the page, where you can submit your candid photos using the school code, PayneTech26, all caps and no spaces, to upload your baby picture, and share your senior quote. Senior quotes are due by October 31st. More links will be added as needed, so be sure to check back often for updates. Visit the page here.
FAFSA has officially opened. Make sure you create your login as soon as possible to get started on your financial aid application. There will be an info session via Zoom coming up. Details will be announced on Schoology, so keep an eye on your senior group page for updates. Senior appointments with counselors are still happening, so be sure to check Schoology for your scheduled appointment time.
Payne Tech is having an open house on October 25th. The open house provides an important opportunity to tour, get information on our CTEs, meet our faculty, and see our faculties. Please make sure to check the Payne Tech website for more information. And that concludes this episode of Payne Tech News. Once again, I'm your host, Alayia Cole.
And I'm your co-host, Jaylin Valentine. Like I said already, thank you for watching Payne Tech News. Remember, keep smiling, stay positive, and motivated. And be a lion.